Hello everyone, it's Willy. Welcome back to my channel where I test in affordable beauty products or drugstore beauty products, and I hope that you are doing good. Make sure that you hit a subscribe button below and I will keep you updated affordable beauty products every week. And of course today's video I create another makeup look using these palette from Makeup Revolution, So Collab Revolution, which I believe this is the first original one. And of course this makeup look is going to be really easy, simple, only 3 color and you're ready to go. And of course, like I mentioned in every video, if you have any favorite product that you love from drugstore, you could tell me in the comment. Of course I'm going to choose one of you and do a shower video and create makeup look or testing from your ideas as well. And of course if you have any questions, feel free to ask any questions with hashtag Rain's questions. So I know that I talk too much, and yes, of course I know that we should jump right to the video. As you can see, I finished the rest of my face and my eyebrow. Also today we are going to do another series makeup look from these makeup palette from Makeup Revolution, So Collab Revolution. And yes, as you can see, I already primed my eyes using Too Faced Shadow Insurance, curl my eyelashes using EYESHADOW, and for my waterline just eyeliner pencil in black. And I'm going to zoom you in now. Alright, you will see everything. You will see that I have some blemishes. Please ignore that. So yes, like I mentioned, I'm going to use these palette from Revolution, and the first color that I'm going to put is going to be these one. Hope that you can see. Yes, it's going to be these red shade color, and I'm going to put it in outer corner of my eyes. Then I'm going to use these shades, which is, hope that you can see, not focus, oh yes, which is cup of tea, and put it on my crease and blend every color together. Then I'm going to use blending brush to blend everything together. I'm going to use a concealer to do a cut crease, and this one is from Maybelline Fit Me Concealer with this flat brush, and I'm going to do a cut crease. Then I'm going to put these pinky sort of shade all over my eyelids using my finger. Go back to the first red color that I use on my outer corner. I'm going to use this one again and put it in outer corner again. I'm going to finish the rest of my face using Maybelline Hyper Sharp Liner and Maybelline, I think it's called Corso mascara, and I will be right back. I'm back, and my inner colour, I'm going to use this shade called Fairy Light. And this is a finished look, and finished my eye makeup look using only one palette from Makeup Laboration, So Collab Laboration. I'm pretty sure that most of you might already have this palette, or if you don't have it, I'm pretty sure that you will love it, and that's the reason why I'd like to create a look from this palette using only 3 colours. So like I mentioned in every video, if you have any favorite products from drugstore that you love, you can tell me in the comment. Also, if you have any questions, feel free to ask me with #rinsequestions. Thank you so much for watching, and see you next video. Bye.